Hello everybody. Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the different types of parsing. So we have already seen that in parsing we have a parser. We have a parser which works together with the scanner. The scanner gives a string of tokens to the parser, and the parser already has a grammar, and the parser will verify if the string of tokens given by the scanner can be generated from the given grammar or not. If it can be generated, then it generates a parse tree out of it, and if not, it gives an error. And then once it has generated the parse tree for the particular string of tokens, then it will ask the scanner again to give the get next tokens. So this is how parsing works. So now parsing can be categorized into three different types. So what are these types? The first is called universal parsing. So universal parsing, this is more of a theoretical concept because it can be used for parsing any type of grammar. However, it is quite inefficient to construct compilers out of this using universal parsing. So even though it is powerful, it is inefficient. So we will not be discussing about universal parsing. The second is your top-down parsing. So in top-down parsing, we build a parse tree from the root, that is from the top, to the leaves, which is the bottom. That's why top to bottom, top down. So you start from root to the leaves. You start from the start symbol till you get down to the leaves, that is the non-terminals. And the third type is your bottom-up parsing. So bottom-up parsing is just the reverse of top-down. So you start from the leaves, from the bottom, and you work your way up to the root. So if you can reach the root, then your parsing is completed. So like I mentioned, universal parsing is not commonly used for compiler design. So we'll look at top-down and bottom-up parsing. So now this is a common grammar that we have already seen before. So what we are going to do is, we are going to see how we can have a top-down parsing using this. So what we are going to do is, we are going to construct a parse tree beginning from the start symbol, and we are going to add the nodes to the parse tree in a pre-order form. That is your top-down, in a pre-order form. So this is the same like finding the leftmost derivation of an input string. So we are going to do the leftmost derivation. Leftmost derivation. So it's the same process. So this is our grammar, our expression grammar that we had seen earlier. And for an input string, let us construct the parse tree using top-down parsing. So my input string is id plus id into id. Okay. So as I said, we'll start from the start symbol. So E. So first we will expand this as T E dash using the first production. Then we are going to replace the leftmost terminal, non-terminal. So this is T. So T will be replaced by F T dash. Okay. Then F will be replaced by ID next. Then T will be replaced by epsilon. Then E dash would be replaced by plus T E dash. Okay, so I got ID plus, now T again here can be replaced by F T dash, F T dash. So F here can be replaced by ID, F here can be replaced by ID, and T dash can be replaced by star F T dash. Okay, then next replacement will be F replaced by ID, and then T dash can be replaced by epsilon, and finally E dash can be replaced by epsilon. So if you see this, you'll find I have parsed this as ID plus ID into ID. Rest are all epsilons. These are all epsilons remaining. So what we have done is we have generated a parse tree from our input string. Okay, and at every step we have replaced the leftmost non-terminal. Now here the main question is, at every step we have to determine which production is to be applied. Okay, and how to determine that will depend upon the algorithm, that is the parsing algorithm that we are going to follow. So we'll discuss about that in the later class. Let us see about bottom-up parsing now. So bottom-up parsing is just the reverse of top-down parsing. Okay, so here we start from the leaf and we go up to the root. And if top-down parsing was the leftmost derivation of a string, then bottom-up parsing is the rightmost derivation in reverse. It is the rightmost derivation in reverse. Remember, it is not the rightmost derivation, but it is the rightmost derivation in reverse. So again, let us take a grammar, a simple grammar. A, B, E. A is A, B, C, or B, and capital B is D. So I have an input string A, B, B, A, B, B, C, D, E. So here, if you look at the rightmost derivation of this string, we will get something like this. A, B, E. Okay, from here I will get rightmost, so I have to replace B now. So B will be replaced by D. Then A would be replaced by A, B, C, D, E. Then here A would be replaced by A, B, B, C, D, E. So this is the rightmost derivation. This is the rightmost derivation of the string. Let's see how we can do a bottom-up parsing of this. So to do a bottom-up parsing, so I'll first write down the string A, B, B, C, D, E. So it is a rightmost derivation in reverse. That means here the last rightmost derivation that we did was for A. Okay, for this character. So here I will replace it by A. Okay. Then next I can get A, B, C. I can replace it by A again. If we look at this here, so you can see here A, B, C was replaced by A. So A, B and C replaced by A. Now I have A, D, E. Next is D I will replace by B. Okay. And then I will have A, small a, capital B, E takes us to the start state S. So we have constructed now the tree starting from the leaf nodes, okay, right up to the root node. So this is your bottom-up parsing. And isn't this your reverse of your rightmost derivation? If you see, it is like this. We started with A, B, B, C, D, E. Then we replaced B with A, B, C, D, E. Then A, B, C we replaced by A again, and we got D, E. Then we had A, then D was replaced by B, okay, and A, B, E we got S. So this is nothing but the reverse rightmost derivation. So we have these two types of parsings, bottom-up parsing and top-down parsing. So we will discuss these two types in details in the next video.